Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be deep cleaning my bedroom and bathroom before I leave for college. I feel like there's nothing worse than being gone for a while and coming home and your space is just cluttered and a mess. The main thing is my desk. This one right back here. The drawers are so bad. It just has years and years and years of me just throwing junk in it. Okay, here's the desk. I know it's messy on top of it too. These drawers are so bad. I'm embarrassed looking at this. Like, there's just so much junk in here that I do not want. It really needs a deep cleaning. Also, I need to go through all my jewelry and pick which ones I want to bring to college, which ones I want to keep, which ones I want to just get rid of. And yeah, it's gonna be quite the process, so. Guys, it's going really well. I cleaned up here. There. I cleaned up here and wiped it all down so it won't be dusty and it looks a lot better. And then over here, I also cleaned this off. And my closet, looking really good. I don't remember if I took a before, but sorry if I didn't, but it looks really good now. I'm gonna start taking some vines down from like all around my room because I have a lot and they're already falling down and I wanna bring them to school. And then I'm gonna have to tackle the desk. Update, all the drawers are completely empty. And this is the stuff that I want to put back in and keep. And then this is my garbage. And then this is all the stuff that needs to go somewhere else in my house because it doesn't belong here. Okay, here's the final product. I have this little organizer and everything's really organized. It looks a little empty. I'm gonna put pens and stuff in here after I take like my little mug to school. I can put the rest of them in here. This one doesn't have much in it. And then this last one is kind of still has a lot of junk in it. And honestly, I'm so proud. It looks so good. And it's just been such a mess for years. Like, this is all the stuff that I threw away that was in there. Like, that's so much. And then I put a bunch of stuff away already, but like, wow, I really had a lot in there. Guys, I just got hit with this insane burst of energy. I don't know where it came from. I was just feeling really tired like 20 minutes ago. But I was looking at the list of stuff I want to get done before I go back to school. And I'm none of it done. Also, I didn't even mention the haircut. It's in my next video. I'm doing a transformation for going back to school. So look forward to that. I know it doesn't look perfect. I'm still waiting for one of my friends to like finish cutting it so they can like do it from the back and make sure it's all super even and like cut upwards. So that's why it probably doesn't look that great right now. Back to cleaning, back to getting more done. I'm cracking open my second bubbly of the day. No caffeine, just vibes. So I leave in 10 days. I still have too much time that I can't really pack anything, but also I bought pretty much everything that I need to buy before then. So now I'm just in this weird place where I like don't know what to do with myself, and I still work. I gave myself a couple days off of work before I go back, but like I don't know what I'm supposed to do right now. Here's my jewelry stand. If you've seen my videos before, you've probably seen this thing because I love it. It's from TJ Maxx and I just have a ton of jewelry on it that I don't really like anymore. A lot of it's tangled because one time my cat knocked it over. So I'm just gonna go through everything right now. Alright guys, I just finished vacuuming every single little crevice and corner of my room. It smells amazing in here. It looks amazing. I feel like a weight's been lifted off of me. It feels so clean and so fresh in here. And I just wanted to thank you all so much for watching. I have a lot of fun videos coming very soon, and I will see you all so soon. I love you so much.